Alright guys, so welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to increase the internet speed on your iPhone, specifically when you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so step number one, we need to set up the baseline of our internet speed. For that, we go to our Google and type in speed test, and then it will show you this section where you press run speed test to see what is the current speed of your internet. Okay, after this is being done, we just give it a couple of seconds to finish, and then it says, okay, my download speed is 93, and then it does the upload speed. Okay, it takes another couple of seconds, and then once this is being done, we have our baseline. Okay, next step, what we're going to do is to go to our settings. Now here you want to open your Wi-Fi's and see the one that you're connected to. You go right over here and scroll a little bit down to find this private Wi-Fi address. You press on it once and you want it fixed, not rotating, but fixed. Okay, so if it's already fixed, you just keep it the way it is. And also turn on the limit IP address tracking. And the third step would be to go to the bottom to configure DNS. Okay, and over here you want to go to manual and add one server, which is specifically 8.8.8.8. Okay, and then you press save. After this was done, you want to reboot your phone. And for that, we need to press the volume up button, volume down button, and then hold the power button. Just like so, volume up, volume down, and holding the power button. Okay, and now it offers us to slide to power off, which we do. Then you give a couple of seconds for your iPhone to power off, and then you hold the power button for around 5 to 10 seconds for your iPhone to turn on, and you go back to the speed test website to check your speed. Okay guys, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.